cronin I fyny o'r cefn. Be sy'n y posib pella? O, ni wedi croesi'r llinell. Na, yn wir, mae yna gam sefyll. Y gic gornel wedi anelu gan Ryan Bevan at y postyn pella. Oedd hi'n edrych fel petai hi'n croesi'r linell. Cynorthwydd y dyfarnwr yn codi liman. Johnson, tuag at can. Mae Gammon yn cael ei ddal yn y sgrech fanna gan y capten. Ond i ni chwarae ymlaen. A mae'r bêl gan Hopkins. Hopkins yn croesi. O, mae'n taro'r bar. Y capten Joe Hopkins yn troi. Croesiad oedd hi rwy'n siŵr. Gerrard. Ymlaen at Johnson. Johnson mor gyflym mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Johnson yn chwilio am gymorth. Hanner cyfle fan hyn. Johnston! A mae'r arbediad yn un dda yn y diwedd gan Rhys Wilson. Lan y sianel mae'n mynd a maen nhw wedi gweithio hon yn dda tuag at Bull. Bale yn syrthio'n garedig ac yna nôl at Bull. Chwarae da gan Llansawel mewn i'r canol. O! A'r Bale yn y diwedd allan am gic gol. Eisiau gosod y Bale y tu ôl. O, yn y camgymeriad, Cochlin! Ac yna Bowen! A mae Bowen yn sgorio I Llansawel. Smonach yn yr amddiffyn rhwng Adam Robbins a Scott Cochlin. Un cyfle sydd angen ar Luke Bowen. Williams ar gic gornel at y postyn pella'r peniad. Oedd hi ar y linell. Oedd hi'n beniad da. Ond Llanelli yn clirio, oedd hi ar y linell. Cyfle I Llanelli bwydo'r bêl lan at drad. Can yn erbyn Evans. Yn troi Evans, tu fewn, tu fas. Mae'n croesi beryglis. A dyma Johnson! O, mae di methu'r cyfle. Wel, oedd hi'n edrych yn rhwyddach I sgorio nag I fethu. Ond methu oedd tynged Sam Johnson. A mae'n parhau yn 1-0 I Llansawel. Johnson yn amlwg yn y chwarae, dyw e ddim mor holliach a hynny fe taro'r bar! O, mae e mor anlwcus Sam Johnson. Geith e trydydd cyfle falle a tro hwn mae'n codi'r bêl dros y bar. Wel, drian ag e, Sam Johnson wedi cymryd clec gan Chris Evans. Wedi methu cyfle gwych yn y cwrt Cosby. Nawr wedi taro'r bar. Angen ail gol ar Llansawel I ladd y gêm. Dim trosedd. Chwaraewch mlaen med e. Mr McKinch, a mae'n ras eto. Drwchwch ar cyfle ymdra Can. Can yn cyrraedd y bêl gynta. Dyma'r cyfle Ethan Can. Mae'n tynnu ddi nôl. O, gwaith gwirthiol gan amddiffyn Llansawel. Chris, many congratulations. You are through to the quarter-final of the Welsh Cup, but you had to withstand a lot of pressure from Llanelli in that second half.
Yeah, just what we expected really. The first half was a bit cagey from both teams. Obviously we got the goal early in the second half and it was always going to happen. You know, they're a good quality side, you know, pushing with us at the top of the league. So we were prepared for it, we were prepared for an onslaught, and to be fair, the boys just dug really deep, and you know, that's what it's about to get into the next round of the Cup.
Lee, a disappointing evening for Llanelli, but you can't legislate for a defensive error such as that and also a failure to take your chances.
Yeah, I think clear, concise information there, communication between the two, and we solved that because it was a nothing ball and we've gifted them a goal.
And in terms of the opportunities that were missed at the other end, Ethan Can's been grabbing the headlines, but tonight it wasn't he or Sam Johnson's evening.
No, and I think if we score 3 or 4 goals tonight, I don't think Briton Ferry could complain. I'm not saying for one bit that we were excellent ourselves, but we certainly had 3-4 very, very good chances.
And it's not like them to miss chances like that either, is it?
No, we've scored 59 goals in the last 16 games, so to come here and it's a copyright of the first game of the season, you know, we feel we should have gone away with something.
Chris Evans, many congratulations on the win this evening. Ethan Can has been grabbing all the headlines, but it was a shutout from you and your colleagues who did really well at the heart of the defence.
Yeah, we knew it was going to be a tough game. We had to defend the way they play. They look for him. He's a danger man, but I think we snuffed out their game plan and got a win into the next round.
And it was probably, you know, so many chances Sam Johnson and Ethan Can and others had, but they failed to take any of them.
that's football at the end of the day. We took ours and that's all that matters.
And in terms of the old adage, out of the cup you can now concentrate on the league and promotion.
Yeah, of course, but we seen it as an opportunity tonight. We wanted to go as far as we possibly could in the competition. But yeah, as you rightly say, we'll concentrate now on the league and hopefully we can stay top for as long as we can.
You are through to the last 8. You've matched your performances from last season and the best in the club's history. Who would you like in the next round?
We're not looking too far forward. You know, we'd take any game. If it's a home tie, it'd be brilliant for the club. Hopefully we get a big crowd and, you know, generate some income. But, you know, we'll take anyone.
A run in the Welsh Cup or promotion to the Welsh Premier?
Both.
Which one would you take?
Both. As coaches, as management staff, you know, we're greedy. Promotion is our aim, and why not go in and run in the Welsh Cup as well, you know what I mean? So it goes hand in hand. You know, if we'd lost today, it would have maybe had an effect on our league form, but each game we're going in and we're going to win, and we're going to try to win each game.